Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So my name is Corey, and if you're new around here, then what I do is I film car events, car scene, put on parts on my own car, and I'm also a Throtl brand ambassador. So last week they did a meet over in Encinitas, which was the first Throtl VIP and Throtl brand ambassador meet for the San Diego area, and put together a little bit of an edit for that one. Sadly, my gimbal wasn't working. It was being a little twitchy that day. So all of these are handheld shots. So I hope you guys enjoy the edit, and afterwards, after the edit, I'll come back and we'll talk about how you can become a VIP member or a brand ambassador and get entered into the contest to win a 2005 Subaru WRX. Alright. Okay guys, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the edit. So first question is, what is Throtl? Throtl is a way to get into the marketplace of buying used parts, new parts, and they can price match any part that you see on a website. They have one-on-one live chats if you have questions about a part. They're really responsive. They'll work with you on whatever you're working on. And if you join Throtl with the VIP membership, then you end up getting 10% off of every order in their Throtl store for new parts. It's worth itself in that, and as an added benefit, you get entered into monthly giveaways or couple month giveaways, as this one currently is for the 05 WRX that you saw in the video. And they're continually putting parts onto it. So I hope you guys are stoked about winning that, because I'm stoked on the possibility of winning it. And if you're interested in becoming a Throtl brand ambassador, then the link for that will be down in the description, and I'll link a video right up here, what you do as a Throtl brand ambassador and how you can apply. And it can be worldwide, doesn't have to be just San Diego, but you do have to be over 18 years of age. If you enjoyed the content here and want to check out some of my other videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment if you have any questions or have any ideas of what I should film next. Alright, until the next one.